Let Garmin get you started with your zūmo R1 radar. The zūmo R1 radar will come with a license plate mount, cable ties, indicator brackets, inline fuse cable, rubber spacers, adhesive mounts, surface mount bracket with adhesive, crimp-style ring terminal connectors, splice connector, hex wrench, and screws. Additional hardware may be needed for custom installations. Garmin strongly recommends having an experienced installer with the proper knowledge of electrical systems install the device. Incorrectly wiring the power cable can result in damage to the vehicle or the battery and can cause bodily injury. The zūmo R1 radar consists of a rear-facing red alert light and two amber blind spot indicator lights. The rear alert lights are disabled by default. You can enable rear alert lights to illuminate when vehicles are approaching your motorcycle. The zūmo R1 radar also includes two indicators. The outer part of each indicator has an amber-colored blind spot warning light. The inner part of each indicator has a red-colored rear alert light. An L and R are marked on the back of each indicator so you know which handlebar to attach them to. The left indicator will have a device button in the center, which is used to power the zūmo R1 radar on and off or enter pairing mode. A status LED is located in the center of the right indicator, which will show the current status of the radar system. The zūmo R1 radar includes parts for mounting solutions for the indicators. These include brackets, adhesive pads, and cable ties with rubber spacers. The zūmo R1 radar includes parts for two radar mount installations, a license plate mount and a surface mount with adhesive. If you are located in Europe, you will receive a larger license plate bracket mount. The zūmo R1 radar can be paired to either your compatible smartphone or a compatible Garmin Navigator. It can also be used independently. You must be connected with the zūmo radar app to update the zūmo R1 radar. Using the zūmo radar app on a compatible smartphone allows you to connect to your zūmo R1 radar using Bluetooth technology. From the app, you can view radar information, device settings, and send updates to the zūmo R1 radar. The zūmo radar app can be downloaded from your compatible smartphone's app store. To connect the zūmo radar app with your zūmo R1 radar, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Then bring the smartphone near the zūmo R1 radar. Open the zūmo radar app and follow the on-screen instructions. With the zūmo R1 radar powered on, hold the device button until the status LED begins flashing blue. Then promptly let go of the button. The zūmo R1 radar is now in pairing mode. Once the zūmo R1 radar has paired, check the wiring using the light sequence. Confirm the screens match what you are seeing on the device. Then, choose if you would like to enable the rear alert lights. If you have finished the pairing process, the zūmo radar app will display the current radar status. After the initial pairing, the zūmo radar app automatically connects to the zūmo R1 radar when you open the app within range of the active device. The zūmo R1 radar can also pair with your compatible Garmin Navigator. To begin pairing these devices, bring your Garmin Navigator near the zūmo R1 radar. Then, select Apps, followed by zūmo R1 radar. Select Connect Now. With the zūmo R1 radar powered on, hold the device button until the status LED begins flashing blue. Then, promptly let go of the button. The zūmo R1 radar is now in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the pairing process. Once the zūmo R1 radar has paired, check the wiring using the light sequence. Confirm the screens match what you see on the device. Then, choose if you would like to enable the rear alert lights. When the zūmo R1 radar has paired with your compatible Garmin Navigator, the status icon turns blue. Let's review the radar information screen. This screen will look similar on both the zūmo radar app and the Garmin Navigator. In this video, we will be looking at the Garmin Navigator. The icon in the top left corner indicates the radar sensor status. The vehicles around you will change color based on threat level. A yellow vehicle indicates a vehicle is approaching in your blind spot to the left or right. A gray vehicle indicates a vehicle is approaching from a distance. A red vehicle indicates a vehicle is rapidly approaching or presents a danger. The indicator lights will flash red when this occurs. The icon in the top right opens the settings menu. Settings can only be adjusted from either the app or the Garmin Navigator. Updates can only be installed using the zūmo radar app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.